it's Justine, and we're at the Steve Jobs Theater right now. This is where the actual keynote happened. But right now, they're having a special hands-on event for Apple Arcade. It officially launches on September 19th for $4.99 a month. They're gonna have hundreds of titles by fall. But right now, we're gonna get a chance to check out some of the launch titles. So let's head in. First game we're gonna play is Skate City. I like your t-shirt.
Thank you.
Oh, we have 3 options. We have Barcelona, Oslo, and Los Angeles. I'm gonna start with Los Angeles. I don't know how to play this, so I'm just figuring it out as I go. Okay, I figured it out already. I am doing tricks like you would not believe. I used to love Tony Hawk Pro Skater. I used to play it on Dreamcast back in the day. This is incredible. This game is called Sneaky Sasquatch. Some of you guys might be new here, but my sister and I used to do this show called Squatch Watch. Sasquatch, Squatch Watch, yeah! Squatch Watch. So this is a very fitting game. If I were to make a game, I feel like this is what I would make. This raccoon is talking to me. He wants to talk to me. If he sees us, we'll be in big trouble, so let's practice.
Get out of my way, kid.
This is so amazing. He's sneaking. Okay, sorry. Oh no, I'm getting in trouble.
So what we're doing here is essentially trying to line up these little square shapes. By doing that, we'll get this circle that's going around to actually touch it and get us to the next level.
There it is.
There you go.
Okay, we're at the next level. Okay, that's really fun. Oh, the Lego game, we have to play the Lego, oh my goodness. Okay, this is super exciting. You guys may know that I am a huge Lego fan. No, I've died already. No, I don't die. Okay, I didn't die.
Can I use?
Yeah, go for it.
I know, I love this stuff.
Oh! Oh my gosh, no!
Yes.
I've died. I've died. So that's Lego Brawl. I absolutely love Lego, and I love everything that Lego is doing to push Lego into the next generation of digital. Let's see what else they have here at the Apple Arcade. This is fun. Oh, I was going the wrong way. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love this. It's so cool because you're kind of using the gyroscope to actually make the controls. So where you point the iPad, that's where you go. There's a trampoline? Am I supposed to be doing parkour? I definitely think that I am. Oh, this is cool.
Race very fast, fail spectacularly, avoid all the traffic.
Cool. All right, I'm getting the hang of it. This is like me in LA. Down the 405 to the 10. So one of the cool things with Apple Arcade and also iOS 13 is you can actually connect a controller. So right now we're playing the Apple TV version, and I'm going to be using an Xbox controller to play on Apple TV. I'm kind of speechless. We're playing the Impossible Road. So I've never played this before, and I feel like I'm doing quite well for my first. Oh gosh! Oh boy, things are happening. I think I've taken a shortcut, or I may have fallen off the track. I'm a champion. Somebody else want to play? So obviously you can play on iPad, on iOS, on Apple TV, but you can also play on Mac. So let's not forget there are Mac gamers out there. I was one of them. Oh my gosh, I remember when Unreal Tournament came out for Mac. It was like, I'll have to double check what the year was, but it was a long time ago, and it was the most exciting thing for me. And now here we are with Apple Arcade. I am using a PlayStation controller playing on a Mac. Look at the little doggy, it's Maddie.
You can take the dog with you if you really want it.
No, I definitely do. So do I take
now, yeah, that means to meet it, you can invite
Puppy, oh my gosh, yes, I'm taking him with me. Okay, so me and the dog are getting in the car.
So now hit escape.
We're escaping. Things are going very well. I'm in the car, Bobby's in the car. We've escaped. He's injured, oh you poor thing. Oh, we're both injured. We need to get healed up. I'm using a PlayStation controller while playing on a Mac. I was just using an Xbox controller while playing on Apple TV. This is the future. We had so much fun playing games here. This is Jenna, my sister. If you didn't know, she's always in my videos.
We're awkwardly sitting in a chair.
We
so if it looks
are.
awkward, because it's super awkward.
So what was your favorite game that you played?
I really enjoyed the sneaky Sasquatch. It was so cute, and we love Sasquatch.
Squatch Watch.
And the skater game, because I absolutely love skating.
It's just crazy because there's gonna be so many games, and it's cool because you can play on your iPhone, your iPad, your Apple TV, and you can use a controller. Like, that is still something that is kind of shocking to me. I loved playing the hot lava game, which was actually kind of cool because you use the accelerometer, so you're kind of actually moving around in the space. I wish that we could have played them all. We didn't get to, but
Good news is we can play soon.
I was just gonna say it's gonna be out soon.
Yeah, we'll have enough time.
If you think I'm talking fast, it's because we have to head to the airport now.
We do. We have to go.
Let's play one more game and roll out. So this is cool. In the keynote, they mentioned that all of the audio that they record in this game, they actually did record it underwater. That is something that I would like to see of how they did that. And that's it. That was just a quick look at Apple Arcade. There's going to be so many more fun games coming out, and I cannot wait. So if you guys want to see more gameplay, leave me a comment, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and I'm going to walk up these magical steps.